common view that a lot of people have about day trading or the stock market in general is that it's gambling. And while it is very similar to gambling, each involving risk, uncertainty, and a little bit of luck, trading doesn't have to be a straight up gamble. There are ways that you can control the odds to be in your favor and always make money over time. So in this lesson, I want to show you how one of the most successful business models in the world consistently profits from randomness and chance by utilizing odds, statistics, and careful risk management, and how you can use the same tactics in your own trading to be successful as well. So if you're ready, let's get into it. The United States casino industry rakes in tens of billions of dollars a year offering games of chance. When the customers play their games, the end result will be either the customers giving money to the casino or the casino giving money to the customers. Now, in no instance will the casino win every single time. The casino pays out customers many times a day, with happy customers leaving with more money than what they came in with. So how is it possible that the casino consistently profits if they give out free drinks, free food, and free entertainment, all while offering games of chance where they are giving money to its customers? Well, it's how they manage risk, which is known as the house edge. The house edge is a mathematical advantage that the casino has over its customers, and it's built into every game that the casino offers. This ensures that over the long run, the payouts to the players will be less than the money brought in. So they create this house edge in a few different ways. The first way is making sure that the casino will win more times than they lose. For example, in the game of roulette, there is a small ball and a giant spinny wheel with 18 red numbers and 18 black numbers in alternating order for a total of 36 numbers. Players place bets on where they think the ball will land once the wheel is spun and it comes to a stop. You can bet on what kind of number it lands on, like red or black or odd or even. So let's say that a customer places a bet on the ball landing on red. Well, at first glance, this would seem like they have a 50-50 chance of being right. But when you take a closer look at the roulette wheel, you'll find that there's two green numbers, 0 and 00. And this is the edge that the house has over the players. So instead of the customer's chances being 18 out of 36, it's now 18 out of 38 with the addition of those two green numbers. So the probability that the customer winning is 47.3%, which gives the casino a 52.7% chance of winning against the players. Now, having more winners than losers isn't the only edge that the casino has. Another tactic that the casino implements is how they pay out winning customers. Let's go back to the game of roulette and see how the payout is structured for each bet. In the game of roulette, when you bet on either red or black, the payout is typically 1-to-1, meaning if the customer wins, they will receive an amount equal to the initial wager. For example, if a customer bets $100 and they win, then the casino will pay them $100. So as long as the casino wins over 50% of the time, then the casino will end up profitable, which is why the roulette game has those two additional green numbers to tilt the odds above 50%. As long as those two green numbers are there and the bets are always 1-to-1, then it would be mathematically impossible for the casino to lose money over time. But if the casino were to change the payout structure, where if the customer were to bet $50 to win $100 instead, then that would put the casino at risk of losing money in the long run. Even though the casino wins more than 50% of the time, they will still come out unprofitable because they are paying out more money each time they lose versus each time they won. So they can't really change the payout structure on a game that has 52% odds of the casino winning. If they wanted to change the payout structure, they have to do it on a different type of game with different odds. So let's take another example and use slot machines. Now, slot machines have some of the worst odds to the customers. I think it's like 1 in 5,000 chance of winning or something like that. Now, to the customer, that doesn't seem very logical to play. So why do they play it? Well, because usually slot machines require small bets but offer large jackpots. So because the casino knows that they are going to win 4,999 times out of 5,000, they were able to offer big payouts. For example, a customer bets $2 to try to win $5,000. Well, if the casino wins 4,999 times at $2 a pop, they would accumulate $9,998 in winnings. But one time, they have to pay $5,000. So even though they pay out a large sum of money to some lucky customer, the casino is still profitable. They just have to make sure that the jackpot does not exceed more than what they took in from the customers, and the math that they have worked out from the odds and the payout ratio ensures that. Another tactic that the casino uses is placing a maximum bet limit. In the game of roulette, the maximum bet limit is usually $5,000 for a single spin of the roulette wheel. Now, the reason the casino does this is so that they can control their potential short-term losses on a single bet. Because let's say that a multi-billionaire walks in and chooses to place $10 billion on black. Now, even though the casino has the slight advantage and could potentially make $10 billion, it's still possible for the player to win. And if that player wins, it could significantly impact the casino's short-term financial standing, making it hard for the casino to catch back up to pay its bills on time. So setting a maximum bet limit ensures that the casino isn't at risk of getting into a big hole that would take a very long time to get out of. They want to make sure that any losses they might see in the short term can be made back very easily and not put their overall profitability at risk. So in summary, the casino implements three main strategies to ensure that they come out profitable, which is offering games that give the casino a higher chance of winning, restricting the payouts to the customers based on the odds of the game, and putting a limit on how much the customer can bet so that the casino isn't at risk of taking major losses, putting their financial standing in jeopardy. These three things is what essentially guarantees the casino to come out profitable in the long run. So I wanted to show you how a casino is able to be consistently profitable because it's very much the same thing as trading the markets, only we are the casino and the market is the customers. If we can apply the same tactics that the casino applies to give them an edge over the customers, then we will have an edge over the markets. So when it comes to trading, you should look at it the same way. You must understand that the losses are going to happen. It's just the nature of this business, just like how a casino will give money to its customers. But the key is having control over how much you pay out and how much you bring in. And you do this by taking trades that have a statistical advantage of going in your favor and making sure that the amount of money that you accumulate in winning trades is more than the amount of money that you accumulate in losing trades. I hope you all learned something, and I'd like to thank you so much for watching.